Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dior. I recently did a wig review on this wig. The link is going to be down below. I added an elastic band so that I could just slip the wig right on like it's glueless. I didn't have to glue it because with my temporary method, I could just put it right back on. So this is a 150 density wig. It's 24 inches and it's from Julia Hair. Shout out to Julia Hair for sending me this wig. I'm also doing my makeup in this video. This is Juvias Place Palette, the Deuce by Juvias. My eye primer is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I use that so that the eyeshadow can be a little bit more brighter on my skin. So guys, when I used this purple, I was like, oh my god, this is so pigmented. Shout out to Juvia's Place because this beat is about to be fire. And I use everything in this palette. So guys, I feel like cutting the crease is the most hardest part because I have to pay real close attention. My hands be moving. But when you put your mind to it, it comes out correct. So guys, I went back in the palette and I used a shimmer light pink and a shimmer dark pink just to put it in my crease, and I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. This foundation is from Born This Way. The shade is Ganache. I believe it's the last shade. So this is Toffee and In My Feelings. Toffee is from Born This Way and In My Feelings is from Bakerie. I ended up using Toffee only and I use In My Feelings for around my forehead area. You guys are going to see, like in the video, y'all going to see. But Toffee, this right here, this is my favorite concealer. Like, when you put a little bit of product, don't put a lot. Like right here, I just put a little bit and then I blended it out. So guys, I just realized this video is only 6 minutes and I just realized that I do my makeup at a fast pace. Nobody be rushing me. I don't know why I do this so fast, but I be wanting my videos to be 15 minutes long, but it be 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I really still hope you guys enjoy it. Like, I like shorter videos. So guys, this setting powder is from Bakerie. The shade is Almond. This is a really good setting powder. It's really slept on. I'm pretty sure it's affordable too. So guys, my camera ended up putting an effect on my video and I just fell in love. Like, this is really fire. It made my makeup look 10 times better. Like, nah. This is an effect that y'all gonna be seeing a lot lately. It still don't even look like it's an effect. It just looked like my camera is mad nice. But for contour, I went in a Juvia's Place palette. You could go in any palette that has a dark brown in there, and I just use it as a contour because I don't have a contour, something to contour with. Like, I just use eyeshadow, and it works for me. It's whatever works, you know. It's makeup anyway. So guys, I went back in the palette and I went into like a white shimmery color. I thought it would come off as white, but when it's on the face, it comes off like a purplish, bluish, and it really gave my makeup look. It went from a 9 to a 10, all right? Like, So the liner that I'm using is from NYX NYC, period. Nah. But yeah, this liner, I've been using it forever. Like, I don't know no other brands. So guys, I'm always getting questions about my lashes. I'm sorry, I don't keep tab. I just put them all in a drawer and I just make sure I know which one is like which. Like, I don't be knowing, I'll be forgetting. I have so much lashes. But I'm gonna start keeping track for y'all. I don't think I am, but you know. So guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to Julia Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. And shout out Juvia's Place, because that palette, if it wasn't for that palette, my makeup wouldn't come out like this. Bye guys.